So well, good morning all of you. Today we will start exercise 6C third question. Till second we have done, and I hope that you all have completed your homework also. Now come to third question. Find the greatest number that exactly divides 385 and 735. Greatest number whenever it is asked, means you will take out HCF. So HCF of 385 and 735 will be. So again same thing, what you will do, this will go inside. Now 13 minus 8, 5. Now 7 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. Now we will divide. Because your LCM is coming 350, so you will divide this divisor again here and this. Now again. So what is the last divisor? That is 35. So greatest number will be 35. This will be your answer. Do it fast, then come to the next question. Now, fourth question. Find the greatest number that exactly divides 306, 450 and 540. This is also a similar question. First you will take out HCF of 306 and 450, and then whatever the remainder will comes, with that you will divide 540 and you will get the answer. Let's do this question. Again you will take out HCF of 306, 450 and 540. So HCF of 306, 450. What we will do? Now, 2s are then, sorry, okay, 306 and 450, 306 over 306, 10 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 1. 144 is coming, 306 again, so 2s are, 2 4s are 8, 28, 15 minus 8, 8, 9 minus 8, 1, and this will be 18, so I was doing wrong. Please concentrate here. Till here is correct, then I am doing wrong. 18, okay. Now what will here? 144. Now 18. What we will multiply here? So HCF of 306 and 450 is coming 18. Okay. So now we will take out HCF. Therefore, HCF of 306, 450 is 18. Now you will take out HCF of 540 and 18. Now HCF of 540 and 18 you will take out. What you will do again? 540 will be dividend here and 18 will be divisor. Let's divide. Now 8 3s are 54 and 0 here. So you will see 18 will divide 540 also. That means the greatest number will be, which will divide 306, 450 and 540 will be 80. So greatest number is equals to 18. Okay. So like this you will solve when 3 numbers will be there. Then how to take out HCF? This we will do. After this, come to 5th question. Find the greatest number that will divide 37 and 53, leaving 5 as remainder in each case. Then what you will do? When such kind of questions will come? Because here it is given, in each case the remainder is 5. So what will be the numbers? Numbers are, what you will do? You will subtract 37 minus 5, comma 53 minus 5. Okay, 37 minus 5 and 53 minus 5 you will do. So therefore HCF of 32 you will take out and 48. Now how to take out HCF? Again the larger will be dividend and the smaller will be divisor. Now 32 1s are 32. 8 minus 2 6. 4 minus 3 1. 16. Because the remainder is still coming. Any number is coming. So what you will do? Again the divisor will become dividend. Here 16 and 16 2s are 32. Now you will see the remainder comes 0. So whatever will be the last divisor, that will be the HCF. So here the greatest number will be. Therefore HCF is equals to 16. So the greatest number 16. Okay, copy it first. Then come to 6th question. 6th you will do by your own. Now see 6th question. Find the greatest number that will divide 138, 183 and 423, leaving remainder 3 in each case. Now what you will do? As we have done this 5th one. What you will do? You will subtract 3 from each number. So 138 minus 3, what will come? 135. 183 minus 3, what will come? 180. 432 minus 3, what will come? 429. And you will take out HCF of these 3 numbers. Whatever the HCF will come, that will be the number, which is required number. Now come to 7th question. Find the greatest number that will divide 76, 114 and 152, leaving the remainder 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Therefore, first of all you have to take out the required number. So what will be the required number? Let's do 7th one. Required number is equals to, what will be the numbers? Here 76, remainder is 2. So 76 minus 2, comma 114 minus 3, comma 152 minus 4. So we will take out HCF of 74, 111 148. Take out HCF of these three numbers, means here first now we will divide 111 by 74. 74 1 is 74. What will come? 7. Then 10 minus 7, 37. Then 74. Okay? So HCF is equals to 37. Fine. Now again HCF of 37 and 148 you will take out. Now this 148 upon 37. What will come? 37 3s are 4s are 148. So 37 will divide 148. So that means the number will be, the greatest number will be, the greatest number is 37. Okay? Do till here fast, then come to the next question. Come to 8th question. Two vessels contains 104 liter and 91 liter of milk respectively. Find the measure of a bucket of maximum capacity which can measure the milk of either vessel on exact number of times. So what you will do again, you will take out HCF of 104 liter and 91 liter. Let's do. HCF of 104 liter and 91 liter. What you will do? Same thing. 91 will divide some 104. 4 minus 1 3. 10 minus 9 1. Now 7 is up. 91. Fine. So what is the last divisor? 13. So the answer will be the measure of maximum capacity is equals to 13 liter. Okay? Do it fast. Question number 8. Use HCF to show that 357 and 1625 are co-primes. What you will do to show that the numbers are co-primes, if HCF comes 1, this means that the numbers are co-prime. Let us do this question. 9th one. Okay, let's do. 3 1 is 3. 7 1 is 7. 7 7 is 49. Okay. So 357 is equals to 3 into 7 into 17. So I will solve 1625. Then 5 3 is 15. 1625 is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 13. So any factor is common here? No. So HCF is equals to 1. Hence 357 and 1625 are 4 primes. Clear? We will take out HCF of 357 and 1625 and then we will see what is the common in this two. Nothing is common, that means HCF is 1. This means that 357 and 1625, they both are co-prime numbers. If HCF comes once, means it is a co-prime number. Clear? So this was enough for today. So we did exercise 6C. Okay, now we will move on to the next exercise, that is LCM. How we will take out LCM. So one question I will do from 6D, first question, and by common division method and prime factorization method. Okay, let's do. How to take out LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, let's do first question. First part, 18, 24. Okay, so LCM of 18 and 24. Let's do. Now we will take it like this. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, we will write as it is. 2 6 are 12. Then 9 is not divisible by 2, you will leave it as it is. Now 2 3 are 6. Now 9 and 3, both are divisible by 3. So like this we will solve. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Answer will come 72. Do it fast. Now come to next question. Similarly, you can do second one. The homework questions are second, third, fourth. Okay, second, third, fourth homework. Now come to second, fifth one. Fifth is 27, 54 and 90. You have to find LCM of these numbers. ones are 3 and 5. So LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 18 into 15. Answer will be 270. So similarly, you can solve the sixth one as well. Okay, sixth one. Question number 1, sixth one. Now come to next question. Now next one is seventh one. First 7. Let's do 60, 75, 80 and 90. So how will you take out LCM? When I will divide by 2, this will come. Now again by 2. 15s are 75, 20 and 45 as it is. Again 2s are 2s are. Now 3s are. Now again by 3. Now 5. Again by 5. So this much big will come now. And then you will divide all the numbers to 2 into 2, so 4 times 2 coming, 3 coming twice, 5 coming twice. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. 144 into 25. Answer will come 3600. Please copy it fast. The last you have to do this 8th one as a homework. And exercise 6C you will do. Exercise 6C you will do 4th and 6th. 4th and 6th as homework. Okay? Till here please complete. So this is enough for today. I have done this by common division method. You can also apply common division method to solve it. Okay? Common division method. And this is prime factorization you are doing from class 4th onwards. One question I will just tell you to do by prime factorization method. Rest you have to do all question by common division method. Okay, that is more important because it will not take time also. So these questions I have done with prime factorization, common division method. So prime factorization method I will tell you tomorrow. Clear? Okay. Thank you so much, class.